Naked Nation, what is going on? Let us get a market update into here. Is alt season coming? Where do we stand in the market right now, today? Where can we go? Watch my previous videos. You know we've been talking about the 3-day Ichi cloud. Doesn't matter what it is if you don't know. What's important is being above here, which is at about 78K. Bitcoin is still fundamentally bullish, even though some influencers might tell you it's in a bear market right now because it's down 20%. Sounds like they've never been in a crypto market where Bitcoin goes up and down 20% like every other couple months. That being said, we're watching for the Ichi cloud, and right now on the 3-day, which still there's 2 days left on this candle, it's not looking great because today Trump came out, it's post FOMC clarity, and everyone's kind of like, meh. That's what I was worried about yesterday on my Twitter post. So I was like, you know what? Maybe FOMC was a little bullish, but at the same time, it's going to take a while for it to play out to be bullish. Right now, not looking amazing. If you look at the daily chart, we're battling that. You see that red line right there? That's the 200 EMA daily Bitcoin. Historically, if we fall below it, things don't go well. A lot of the times you will retest it before a potential breakdown, and that's what I'm worried about right now. Talking about alt season, it doesn't look like alt season's gonna start anywhere in the next few weeks. The Bitcoin dominance is still bullish as fuck. It's getting close to oversold on the stochastic right here. If you look at the last time it was oversold, it was way lower at 60%. Now it's at 61%, so there's a nice little bullish divergence there. I talked about in my other viral video, what if alt season already happened? Because it did. Influencers just don't know that this cycle is different. I've said that this cycle is different. We'll keep saying it. It had an all-time high before halving, and that was the first time that's ever happened in cryptos or Bitcoin's cycle. That being said, it's fundamentally not that bearish right now. It can become a lot worse if Bitcoin loses this 3-day Ichi cloud, which if you look in the past, when it's lost this 3-day Ichi cloud, way more pain to come, 60K, 50K, who knows? I will say one of the more bullish things coming in the next few months, and what I've been saying that a DeFi summer could be around the corner, is because if we can get ETF approval for Ethereum staking, that could really pop this the fuck off. Now, you only have really a few options here as a hedge fund. You can either buy Bitcoin or you could buy Ethereum. And well, you can't stake the Ethereum, so you might as well buy Bitcoin. But if you could stake Ethereum, there could be a shift from a Bitcoin ETF flow to an Ethereum ETF flow, which would start DeFi season. And one of the reasons that we could have a crazy summer, well, I don't know if it's April, May, but somewhere around April, May, June, could actually move into an alt season in a sense. A real bull market where like your shit coins finally do well, and it's not just meme coins extracting liquidity from the market. Because that's what happened this time around. We had scam tokens, scam influencers, scamming people and taking money out of the ecosystem. But with ETH and DeFi, we could actually see money going into the system, staying in the system, and paying the system like in 2021, the real Ponzi scheme that we want. Not this bullshit market that we have right now. Take that information as you will. Be careful. It's not over yet. But I think it's not as bad as you think it is. It's only bad if you listen to your influencers and you bought the top. But if you're here at Naked Nation, you can actually win. So take care. Brush your hair, scrub your scalp. I'm out.